Good morning! Anong oras na?
Tayo, guys.
Okay, let's walk around. Maghahanap kami ng 6:02. 6:02. What time did you arrive?
5:25.
What time did you arrive?
5:00.
And I got here like 10 minutes ago. Okay, we're gonna go find a trash can.
Oh, Darlina!
Darlina, good morning! Say hi. It's a yearly thing. Oh, guys, there's a Hume section now. Wow, amazing.
ABM.
Yeah, ABM nga ang Gandhi last year. Okay. Amazing.
Gandhi is very huge.
Senior year field trip. Woo! Okay. This year it's Maloloso edition. Last year it was Lilo Loso. Not much has changed. What's our bus? Amazing. What's this for?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't care.
Ano?
Sa mga late charot.
Mga first aid.
Grabe naman first aid, yan ang laki.
Wala tayo magtanong. Pinakamaliit, bro.
Ayoko ang aga-aga socialization agad. Okay.
As a Hume student, Maris.
As a Hume student. Okay. We will no, actually, let me show you people. Hi, Simit. Good morning. Say hi.
Miss Divine is in the bus.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Pilas' vlog. It's a digital time.
Yearly.
I'm back.
Hey, we're back! This year, it's Malololoso.
It's me, it's Lee.
It's Lee. Okay, Miss Divine is in the bus.
Iniwan daw ni Miss Divine si Miss Natal.
What? Okay, hilarious. Okay, we will go inside the bus. We will see you there.
Good morning, Cruz.
We're on our way. Good morning, Miss Divine. Baby.
Good morning! Sa pa nga, good morning! May energy ba?
We are in UP right
At
now.
nakikita rin po doon sa likod ng 10 peso bill ang Kalayaan 3.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam.
Amazing, guys. Pinag-chismisan ng teachers namin yung cookies ko. Wow, we're in UP, guys.
Wow, andito na tayo.
Wow, we're in UP.
Negros Island Region. Yes po.
Yeah, we're in the first location. Yes.
We have region 1 to
Memorial. QC Memorial.
13. CAR. Ano po ang ibig sabihin?
Car. Kotse.
Yes po. Cordillera Administrative
Tulong si
Region.
Mari, guys.
NCR.
Pwede ko na lang papakita face.
Yes po.
But yeah,
Ilang cities po ang meron sa NCR?
hindi ko po alam.
Yes?
Yehey! Nasa QC circle na kami.
Ano? Nandito na. Saan kilala ang Pateros?
Sapat.
Sa Balot. Balot Capital.
Hi, guys!
15-minute trip.
Not even 15 minutes later, we are here because QC circle lang ang kaya ng MC. We're here.
Hindi ba na makatulog?
Hindi man lang kami nakatulog, pati yung tour guide namin nagulat na nandito na kami. Tapos kasabay namin kids. Sino to?
kami.
Ay, okay. Katabi na po namin yung bus na kabila. Ay, hindi po namin school yan, pero amazing. Sadie, nandito na kami. Nandito na kami. Bro, bata yung kasabay namin, nakakahiya. Tapos naka-paste dun sa harap ng bus namin. Grade 12. So, ayun lang. This is what it's like to be a senior. Ayun, nasa harap kasi kami this year. Last year, we were at the back. Hindi, wag mo naman.
Hello po.
We were at the back. But this time we're
Mabuhay.
Say hi!
Mabuhay.
Yes, cruise.
Bakit parang wala ng buhay?
Yay! Una kaming lalabas. Girl, ito yung mga anak mo. Yes, miss. Awa na lang. Okay, guys. We're the first to go out. Woo! Lorraine. Woo! Yung dalawa. Yes, amazing. Oh, dito lang, dito lang. Amazing. Amazing. Woo! Una kami! This is so nice. Kaso lang huli kaming papasok, but that's okay. Hello! We are in QC Memorial already. May nagzuzumba doon. So amazing. Ang dami nila. Wow. Okay. Grabe ka naman. Okay. Amazing. Guys, galing lang naman may MC. Kala mo naman ang layo ng pinuntahan namin. Ano mo?
How do I know what they're wearing?
Oo nga. Ano ba ito si Kuya?
I can't see.
Ayun na yung tatlong angels. Pa-practice na kami for fun run. Ako din. Oy! Apat na yun ah! Amazing.
You're vlogging again? Oh my god. We were in this vlog last time.
Yeah, you were. Guys, the most iconic. The most iconic. Juan Luna. Amazing.
Where's Sophia?
The Sophias are back. Amazing.
Subscribers.
Tinatawag na akong nanay ng mga tao-tao. Guys. But yeah,
Nanay sa labas.
co-parenting.
Sa labas.
Co-parenting.
Nanay sa labas.
Akala ko nang si JP. Grabe. What the heck?
Kasi mga
No.
tao yan, ha?
Asan na yun? Hindi ko kasi ma-zoom, guys. Ayun.
Gusto niya may...
Okay. We will see you soon. Hi guys, hindi pa kami pumapasok. Yeah, hindi pa kami pumapasok. Hindi pa kami pumapasok. Okay, picture game. Okay guys, nag-picture-picture na kami. Ipa-plug ko dito yung picture ni Marley. Okay. Okay guys, real na to, papasok na kami. Pasok na kami. Amazing. Amazing. Hindi naman. Tama. Spoiler. Ito na, papasok na kami. One line daw, Lorraine. Umawa ka sa akin. Nasa loob na kami. We're at the front. Uy, hindi ako ba nakapag-makeup ngayon? I'm so sad. I don't know. Hi guys! So, bawal pala mag-vlog sa loob. So, We only took pictures. I will plug those in after this clip. But we are out again. Thoughts.
Pogi Quezon.
True, ang pogi ni Quezon, girl.
Nung bata.
Crazy. No, pogi rin siya na tumanda eh. Crazy.
Kapag hindi ka korap, you age like fine wine. Thoughts and
True. Girl, let's not put political views on my vlog. I don't wanna get cancelled. Quezon is a hero. We love you, Quezon.
And also,
Ang bigat nung atmosphere dun sa pinaka-puntod niya. Yes. Nakakahilo siya. Nakakahilo siya.
parang nag-drop.
But, it was an amazing experience. So, ngayon, hindi na namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. But, that's amazing. Pabalik na kami ng bus. Yehey! Pabalik na kami ng bus. Dapat pala vlog ko. Dapat... Hi guys! We are eating. Chewing and chewing and chewing. Pack cucumbers for Eve because hindi siya pwede. At least balance it down with cucumbers. Eating.
Everyone, dito na po tayo sa net 25 po.
Hey guys, net 25 na kami.
Let's cell phone. And let's start moving. Balik sa cellphone din tayo, guys.
Phone lang daw pwede. So magba-vlog kami. Grabe naman yung camera ko. Miss, say hi sa vlog namin.
Hi, vlog! It's so hot here. We're in that 25. And there are nets here. And they say there are 25 nets.
Ganun naman sa video. We are inside. Net 25.
Net 25.
Net 25. Hi, girl! So starting. Hello, we're here. We have to keep quiet. Kasi studio to. So amazing. Look at everything. Amazing. What is going on? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Amazing. We're in the studio right now and medyo live yung ginagawa nila live na vlog. Hi vlog. Di pwede masyado maingay. I'll put your name. Wait, hold on. Okay. Amazing. Hey guys, bagong studio ulit kami. And I think pwede na mag-ingay dito. But, amazing. Pwede na yata. Ay, hindi mo pinasasigaw. May wave pa dun. We are out. Yeah. It was a good experience. Pasyama ko.
Ate Marie.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Pangilang appearance mo to sa vlog ko. Na-shout out ka ba?
That MG is really good.
What the fudge? Hindi. Sorry.
That was a crazy experience.
Yeah. Maganda yung experience.
Bibili ng coffee.
Ay, nako, ang kulit. Ano ba Miss Divine? Okay. Experience-wise, it's good. Nakakaaliw, everything. Also,
Overwhelming.
I'm gonna plug again pictures here. Super cute namin. Tapos, pero by the end of it, parang nakakapagod siya. Naka-overwhelm siya, nakaka-overstimulate. But it is a good experience. It's a good experience, nakaka-overstimulate lang. We will recharge in the bus as we're walking back na. We will recharge in the bus. Goodbye. Final Destination horror movie yun na.
Ay, hindi pa ka nakakapunta dito.
Final Destination.
Natulog ako. Nakatang song ko.
Na?
Malapit na sana song. The song ko.
Yeah, my song. Okay, but we're in
Baka sumali pa.
Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. And okay, wala lang. Another museum. Yeah, another museum. And then, yun na yun. We're gonna go home. Oh, purple is here. Purple is here. Purple is here? Oh, I don't really care. Okay, okay. So ayun lang naman guys. Mall lang naman yung papasukan namin. So sa amazing. Sa museum na lang kami mag-vlog. We're in Lakday Museo. Wow. Okay guys, free roam pala kami. Hey, free roam! Okay, amazing. Let's start our... Siyempre meron. Amazing. Grabe nagpagkain agad yung mga tao. Okay guys, magsa-slide kami. Magsa-slide kami. I will give you a POV.
Guys, kumain ka? Guys, kumain ka?
Live worm! Oh! Hi guys! Sorry, masyado yata kami nag-enjoy sa... Ano yung last na yan? Sa Lakbay. And we're back na sa bus. Window seat na ako ngayon. Ayan na sila. Tingnan mo, nagsastruggle pa yung dalawa kung makain nilang peach mango pie. Dinefend pa nila, oh. Say hi! We're going back, tapos maaga pa lang. It's like 3 something pa lang. Eh, ang usapan, dapat 6 pa kami makakauwi. Which is kind of sad, but it's okay.
Hello po.
Ayun, kasi pagod na
On
kami.
behalf of Maynila Tours and Educational Services
Thank you na
Inc.,
sila.
I would like to thank you, all the students.
We're here, we're in MC. Again, we're in MC.
Please say thank you to Coach.
Thank you, Coach!
Kuya Dad.
Thank you, Kuya Dan! We're here.
Lagyan naman natin ng energy.
Thank you, Kuya Dan! We're here, guys.
Muli po, ako po yung
kami.
nagpapasalamat sa inyong
But
lahat.
we're here.
Sana po ay kayo po ay nag-enjoy.
This is not, well,
At muli po
This is the end
ipasalamatan
of
po
our
natin
vlog.
ang ating coach captain na si Kuya Chavit po.
bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Hi!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye everyone. Bye everyone. See you in next time's vlog.